Okay, we're going to cut these keys now for these master padlocks. You're going to see why they are not working as well as they're supposed to be working. We've set up the machine correctly. We're going to stick the keys in the machine to copy them. See if we can get this camera system working right. Okay, original keys straight out of the packet. Okay, grab a padlock here. It works fine. Works fine straight out of the packet. Nope, doesn't turn at all. Bloody thing. Freaking original key. Another padlock. Works perfectly in the other padlock. Right, works perfectly. Stick it back in the other padlock again. Bang, she works properly. We know our machine's cutting right. Working properly. Let's cut another one. This is why when people go to Ace Hardware or Home Depot and get a key copied and it does not work, it's not necessarily the people that aren't cutting them correctly, it's the consistency and the quality of the machine, the quality of the padlocks. Let's give this one a whirl. Yeah, see, it works if I jiggle it and screw with it. And people like to say, oh, it's your machine, it's your cutting skills. I guarantee all my keys. Most locksmiths guarantee all their keys. We'll cut another one to be safe. I think I've got another half a dozen cut anyway. Customer wants 20 copies of the key, and every time they go anywhere to get keys made, it don't seem to work. I've been cutting their keys consistently for the last, coming up on 10 years. My keys seem to work. I don't know why anyone else's don't. Yep, see, that one worked good. That one works great. That one works great. So at least my key cutting skills work, but a lot of these made in China padlocks, it's no wonder people complain about having to go back 3 or 4 times to a hardware store to get the damn key to work correctly. It's because the quality of the product being made abroad is inconsistent. And this is what we tradespeople have to put up with all the time. Let me know what you think.